I'm here to present for our brother Yasser Billu. Okay, mashallah, the brother has been an attorney for 20 years, and his experience ranges from representing large Fortune 500 companies in complex litigation and appeals to helping small business owners with simple agreements and legal consulting. Brother Yasser has experience with trials, complex U.S. and international, and large and small residential commercial real estate matters. He is also a member of the prestigious invitation-only International Association of Defense Counsel. It's an organization focused on the helping of businesses of all sizes solve complex legal issues. Okay, Brother Yasser has also been involved in the volunteer work within the Muslim community in South Florida for more than 25 plus years. Yasser is currently the treasurer of Cosmos. It's a bridge-building organization that works to promote a better understanding of Islam and Muslims in South Florida. He also serves as counsel for several masajids, counsel for Islamic centers, Islamic schools, and Muslim organizations throughout Florida, offering many of his services without charge to those organizations. Brother Basa is going to accept on his behalf. Okay.
Thank you, Dr. Chaudhry, right?